So, we've already started having problems with the bleaching. Crown of thorns, not major, we're just keeping an eye on it. Alien species, keeping an eye on it. Diseases starting to emerge, we're keeping an eye on it. And of course, we all know that in the main Hawaiian Islands, human impacts are a problem. We know we've got nutrient runoff, injection wells, runoff from other sources, sedimentation, pollution. On Oahu, this is what we face. You know, we've got a lot of humans on Oahu and a lot of chemicals and junk running into the reef areas. So we know this. We also know that we've got problems with overuse in the main Hawaiian Islands, especially Oahu. Oahu, I mean, we've got some major overuse there. Now, on top of this, you've got to understand that global climate change is now a fact. There's enough evidence to say it's happening, it's real. And even here in Hawaii, Paul Joachim's group has got a data set showing the sea surface temperatures in Hawaii back from the 1950s. And on that graph, he is already showing not a steep, a slight, but a trend upwards. This water temperature here in Hawaii is already increasing as predicted. And this is, these changes associated with global climate change not only increase sea surface temperatures, but changing weather patterns. So increases in typhoons or hurricanes in the Florida Keys and problems like that. And we're predicted to have increased in frequency and duration of both the coral bleaching and the disease. And already we're starting to see disease outbreaks following coral bleaching. So in 2005 in the Virgin Islands there was a coral bleaching event. Poor Caribbean and the Florida Keys, I really feel bad for their reefs. They're in a bad spot. Those reefs in the Virgin Islands started to recover from this bleaching event when it was hit by disease outbreaks, because these corals were weakened already. And their reefs in those areas they were surveying went from like 40% coral cover down to 10 because of these two events. In one shot, boom, the reefs are already down to 10%. It's hard to recover from that when your corals grow so slowly. We also have ocean acidification, not tomorrow, not next year, but it's looming in the future. It's something we need to think about, especially for our grandkids and their kids. And we know that this decrease in pH, making the ocean more acidic, it decreases coral growth, because coral has that hard skeleton. Well, it makes it more difficult for them to put that skeleton down, because acid dissolves calcium carbonate, right? That's why they say soda's bad for your teeth. It erodes your teeth enamel. So we've got that looming on us also.